everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat application on your device. Now sometimes all of a sudden your Snapchat application might not work, or you might not be able to receive or send any of the snap or update on Snapchat. Now in order to fix it, what you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Now there might be various different reasons. Now one of the issue might be a technical problem, and there might be a problem on the server itself. Now another problem might be on your device itself. Now this video might relate or might not relate to your situation, but you can always give it a try, or you can always give it a shot. Without any further delay, let us get started. Now what you have to do is go towards your phone setting. Now on the settings page, what you have to do is tap on app and notification. So on this particular page, what you have to do is tap on Snapchat. So on the other page, you will land inside app info. So here you have information about the app. So what you have to do is on this page, tap on storage. So on the next page, there you can see there are different options. So here you can see right down there you have clear data and clear cache. So what you have to do is just tap on clear data. So once again, read the following confirmation and then tap on OK. So as you can see, all the history, all the data has been deleted. Now what you have to do is go back and then tap on Snapchat application. So as you can see that you've cleared all your data, which means that you're logged out. Now you have to do is log in. So now what you have to do is you have to enter the login detail. So then enter your username, or if you remember your email address or phone number, you can enter any one of these. Down there you have to enter your password. And once you're done entering your information, tap on login, which is right in the bottom. So as you can see that I'm logged in and I've cleared all my data. Now there's a slight chances that your Snapchat application might work properly. Now as I've mentioned before that this video might relate or might not be related to your situation, but you can always give it a try. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.